We are Iowa Corn, and we exist to unlock the potential of corn. What exactly does that mean? We're so glad you asked, but before we get too far, it's important to understand the breakdown of Iowa Corn. Iowa Corn consists of the Iowa Corn Promotion Board, commonly referred to as the ICPB, and the Iowa Corn Growers Association, or ICGA. The Iowa Corn Promotion Board represents the thousands of Iowa farmers to create an economic climate in which the Iowa corn industry will be successful through research, market development, and education. The ICPB is a board made up of 12 peer-elected farmers and 4 ex officio members who direct funds collected through the 1-cent Iowa Corn Checkoff program. The main focuses of the ICPB are to expand markets and promote corn in all forms, license technology for value-added product, educate consumers, farmers, and key decision makers, as well as to protect and improve the cropland, water, and natural resources. At the Iowa Corn Growers Association, we're led by a board of 12 peer-elected farmers and 2 industry liaisons who guide us on policy and regulations we wish to set. Our mission at ICGA is to serve as the voice for Iowa corn farmers, lobbying on agricultural issues at the state and federal level to protect the rights of more than 7,500 corn farmers. Our policy priorities include conservation, ethanol, livestock, research, trade, and more. The Iowa Corn Growers Association is one of the most effective, influential agricultural associations in the country that advocates for our farmers on a wide variety of issues. The grassroots membership and county corn growers groups are the strength and backbone of our association. As a member of ICGA, you can expect to see results including reduced regulatory barriers for corn and livestock, implemented risk management programs, increased cost share for conservation, increased access to export markets, increased investment in research and development, and expanded markets through food, feed, and fuel. How does this all work? When it comes to policy development, we want, first, fill out our member survey, which gets analyzed by the ICGA and shared. You'll then have the chance to attend roundtables, where you'll actively participate in face-to-face meetings to help develop policy ideas and proposals. While you wait to take your policy priorities to legislators, you can stay involved by attending our annual ICGA Grassroots Summit and the NCGA Commodity Classic. Not only does prioritization help focus our efforts, it helps us determine how much time and resources we need to dedicate toward an issue. Ultimately, policy priorities are reviewed by the ICGA farmer delegates at the annual policy conference and are approved by the ICGA board in December. Here in the U.S., nearly half of our corn produced goes to feeding livestock, while about 1/4 of it goes to ethanol. Iowa, in contrast, uses nearly half of the corn grown for ethanol and fuel, while another quarter goes toward feed for livestock. Other uses include export, food and industrial, and residual usage. Thank you for your interest in ICGA and ICPB.